Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to cook a classic Cantonese style soup with papaya, chicken feet, peanut, and black eyed pea using the pressure cooker. This nutritional soup is believed to moisturize your lungs and soothe your throat. Chicken feet is also packed with collagen, which is good to our skin. Before we start, remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of many other kinds of yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Wash and cut the pork shank into a few pieces and place them with the chicken feet inside a pot of cold water. Bring the contents to boil for a few minutes, then drain and rinse with tap water. Pre-soak the dry orange peel to soften, then scrape off the white stuff underneath the skin. Wash and drain the peanuts and black-eyed peas. Wash, then peel off skins of the papaya. Remove the seeds inside the papaya. Cut into 2-inch pieces. Place all ingredients into the pressure pot now. Add about 1800 grams of hot water. Close lid. Pressure cook for 45 minutes, then naturally release pressure for 15 minutes. Open it carefully, then add salt to taste. The delicious Cantonese style soup with papaya, chicken feet, peanut, and black-eyed peas is ready to serve. Enjoy!